Today we are going to be taking a look at the 30% off of all jacks that's going on during the parking lot sale in March at Harbor Freight, and that's coming up next year on Just CB Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to go over the 30% off of all jack stands at the Harbor Freight parking lot sale that's going to happen in March. What we're going to do is we're going to look at these, I'm going to tell you the price with the discount, and we're going to look at some of the specs on them, so let's go ahead and get started. So first off here we got the Daytona 3-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands for $49.99. With the 30% off, those are going to be $34.99. Alright, so now you can see here we have all these different colors here you can get these in. I actually have these 3-ton ones and I got them in blue because blue is my favorite color. But what I want to go down is to specifications here and click on this. And what you got, the SKU number is going to be the 71422. And the model number is going to be the DJS3TMO, and as O is probably for the MO is probably for metallic orange, sorry. And what we got is the lift height minimum, that's going to be 11 3/8, and then the product weight is going to be 16.6 pounds on that, quantity of 2, and the workload is going to be 6,000 pounds. And then you have the max height over here of 16 7/8 inches. Capacity, once again, is going to be 3-ton on that. It does meet the standards that you want it. They are made out of steel. And the length is going to be 7 3/8. The width is going to be 6 7/16 of an inch. And there you go. Let's move on to the next one. Next up here, we got the Daytona 6-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands. The price on these are going to be $79.99. After the 30% off, those are going to be $55.99. Now looking at the 6 tons here, you can see we got less options of colors on this one, but you still got a few options to actually look at on those. And then we'll go to specifications on this one. And then on this one, you're looking at the SKU number being the 70594. And I'm just going to go to the model number here, and you can look at that just because the different letters here means the colors. And then we got the lift height minimal is 15 1/4 inches. Product length is 11 inches. The width is going to be 9 13/16 inches. And then over here you're going to see the lifting height maximum is going to be 23 3/4. 6-ton capacity, meets the standards that we want it to meet. These are also made of steel. The height of them is going to be 5 1/8 inch. And then the product weight is going to be 33.6 pounds. And that's for the quantity of 2 with the 12,000 pound load on it. Next up here we got the Daytona 22-ton heavy-duty jack stands with locking pins. These are yellow. You're looking at $209.99 normally. This is the inside club track deal going on right now for $149.99, sorry, $60 off. But if you wait, you can save you $3 if you wait till the parking lot sale. With the 30% off, they're going to be $146.99. Now on these 22-ton ones, these are only available in yellow. They don't show no other options on it. Specifications on this one, the SKU is going to be 58623. There's your model number right there. It meets our standards. Steel for the material. Product height is 19 inches on these. The product weight is going to be 75.89 pounds, and that's for the quantity of 2. Of course, the workload is going to be 44,000 pounds. Then we're looking at the lift height maximum being 19 7/8. The saddle dimensions on this one is going to be 3 inch by 3 3/4 inch. Of course, total capacity is going to be 22 ton, yellow. And then we got the max or minimum lift height on this is going to be 13 7/8. And then the product length is 11 inches and the width is 11 inches. Now we got the Daytona 12-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands. These ones are black, normally $159.99. With the 30% off, these are going to be $111.99. Now you can see on the 12-ton, they're only offered in black, no other color options on those. Check out the specifications on this one. Your SKU is going to be 58341. And then of course there is your model number, black. And then the lift height minimum is going to be 19 3/4. Product length is going to be 13 inch. The width is going to be 11 11/16 of an inch. And then we're going to move over here to the lift height maximum of 29 3/8 of an inch. Total capacity is 12 ton. Meets the certification, made of steel. Product height is going to be 9 3/4 inch. And then the product weight is going to be 77.5 pounds for 2. And of course the workload is 24,000 pounds. Sorry about that. Starting off this row, we got Daytona 3-ton jack stands with the circular pads on them, $79.99. After the 30% off, these are going to be $55.99. Now on these 3-ton jack stands, there's only one color offered, nothing else on that, so we'll go check the specifications out on this one. SKU number on that is going to be 58789. There is your model number if you want it. Of course, they're only in black. Product height is going to be 13 and 13/16 of an inch. Width is going to be 12 inches on that. And then the workload is going to be 6,000 pounds. Lift height maximum is going to be 21 and 13/16 of an inch. Capacity is going to be 6,000 pounds on that. Meets our specifications. Minimal is going to be 13 and 13/16 of an inch. The product length is going to be 12 inch. Quantity of 2. And of course, they're for 3-ton. Next up here, we got the Daytona 3-ton aluminum jack stands. These are going to be $69.99. And after 30% off, those are going to be $48.99. Now looking at these 3-ton aluminum jack stands from Daytona, you can see there's no other color offered on those. And then we'll go to specification on here. SKU number is going to be 56687. There's your model number. These are made out of aluminum. The weight is 9.5 pounds on those. And then the workload is 6,000 pounds. And then the maximum lift height is 15.4 inches. Meets the standards that we want. Color is black on those. Then the lift height minimum is going to be 10.4 inches. Product width is going to be 3 1/8 inch. And then we got 3-ton capacity on that. Now if you're looking for some affordable ones here, we got the Pittsburgh 3-ton aluminum jack stands. $54.99 after the 30% off. Those are going to be $38.49. Not a bad deal on that. Now on the 3-ton Pittsburghs, they're only available in blue on that, as we can see there. And the specifications on this one, you got different SKUs here. I'm not sure if they offer different colors or what that's all about. Leave a comment down below if you know. But the color is blue on these ones. And then the lift height minimum is 11 and 3/16 of an inch. Product length is going to be 7 3/4 of an inch. Width is going to be 7 inch. And then the workload is going to be 6,000 pounds. And then the lift height maximum is going to be 16 3/8. Of course, automotive and small trailer and tractors, what these are going to be good for. These ones are made out of aluminum, not steel. And then you got the product height being 11 3/16. And then the product weight is going to be 5.5 pounds. Quantity of 2. And of course, these are for 3-ton. Now, I don't know if they're going to include these pads on there or not, so I'm going to skip over those. And the last thing we got here, I do not know if they're going to include this or not either until we can click on it and see. But just in case, we got the Pittsburgh 2-ton capacity Underhoist safety stand, $89.99. Sales price after 30% off would be $62.99. Not a bad deal on that if that's included. And then on the Pittsburgh 2-ton capacity Underhoist safety stand, of course, we only got one color on that one. Let's take a look at the specs on this just in case it is on there. You got your different SKU numbers there. Color is silver. Product height is going to be 49 3/4 inches. The width is going to be 21 5/8 inch. Of course, this is a 2-ton. Then you're looking at the lift height maximum being 92.5 inch. And then the saddle dimensions on this is going to be 3.5 inch by 4 1/8 inch. And then the lift height minimum is going to be 49 inches. And then the product length is going to be 24 5/8. And then the workload, of course, is going to be 4,000 pounds. And there you have it. There is all the sales that's going on the jack stands. What I want to know from you guys is, are you looking forward to any of these? If you are, leave a comment down below. I'd like to hear from you. I already got the 3-ton jack ones. I really don't need no other ones, so there's nothing I'm really interested in. But I want to hear from you guys down below if you want to get something. So as always, don't forget to check my link tree out down below. Down there, I'll have affiliated accounts that do help out the channel. Some got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.